Ma'am, ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going anywhere. Just leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, we'll check muna po. Sa ano po.
Wala problema, leave the room now. I just want my lawyers to be present. Narinig niyo yan lahat na
Ako po.
I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Okay, inform mo.
Leave the room now. You can stay there. Walang problema. Nicole, leave the room now.
Opo.
Please leave the room.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Maghintay lang po muna kami ng inspection. Kung ano naman po yung inspection nila,
Leave the room now. Oh, okay, please go out. Leave the room now.
I understand your situation right now. Pero ma'am, kasi po, ma'am, ano na lang po siguro ang inyong yung next steps after this order. Are you going to file, are you going to trigger na po ba ma'am na file?
I am not leaving this room. I am here in the House of Representatives in potential facility for 5 days until the hearing on Monday. Nobody can just come in here and demand to transfer me in the middle of the night. I have my rights. I
Okay, ma'am.
am any crime. I am not leaving this room.
Okay po ma'am. Yun lang po ma'am. Thank you po ma'am.
Ano po, pinilot po kayo nila na ilabas po at i-transfer dun sa correction at ano po magiging gagawin niya or consider po filing a case against sa mga tao na nakasunod po.
Yeah. Because this is already abuse. And this is really abuse of power already. I am here as a detainee of the house. That was the order that I read, that was read to me. So, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Ma'am, sa ngayon po ba, alam na po yung DP Sara, yung sitwasyon po, yung nangyayari po sa and what was her reaction po? Ano po yung
Now, and she's standing as my lawyer now. And I'm not leaving this room. I am not leaving this room. I call her, she's standing in as my lawyer pro bono. Because this is not correct. People have rights in this country. I have a right. And they should respect that.
case?
I try to cooperate. I tried my best to cooperate. But this is what they do to you. This is not correct. Sorry. I'm just worried about me. You're my family. It was taken away in the middle of the night. When the more decent thing to do is, di ba, to expel you, like, during business hours. What do they want? They just want you to go with you. They just want them to sumama ka na lang. And they will do what they want with you. Tama ba yan? Don't people have rights in this country? I don't understand. I really don't understand.
Sa 9 na tao ang pumasok dyan sa detention cell nyo at 12 midnight.
Yeah, pumasok
Okay.
sila. And then when
Okay.
they were leaving, sabi ko, bakit? Gabi na po, matutulog kami. And I said, they just want to read me something. And I said, no, you cannot. Kasi patulog na kami. I mean, it's already 12 o'clock in the evening. And then pumasok na sila one by one. Isa may camera, isa yung parang taga-search sa cars. And then iba, may mga police, male and female. I'm not sure if it's lying, but it's certainly more than me. I am just by myself with my companion here. And then, I don't understand. Kasi ganun ba yun? Ganun ba ang nangyayari sa bansa natin? They just parang badger and go to your room and then demand you to go with them. What if I had, you know, that I had to get a lawyer? Like, I said, I'm not leaving this room until my lawyer talks. But they were insistent. Sinabi nila sila doon yung lawyer, sumama daw kami. I have to, they can process like all those things, sumandaluyo. I don't trust people because they do not respect my right. What kind of practice is this?
Follow up lang, ma'am. Were you able to communicate now with the...
Huh? Oh, what kind of tao? They don't feel like that. It's not correct.
Okay. Follow up lang, ma'am. Were you able to, or anyone from your party, were able to communicate with Congressman Joel Chua, the chairperson? I mean, siya yung signatory, I believe, doon sa order na yun. Kay Congressman Joel Chua. Yes, okay. Were you able to communicate with them or anyone from his office?
I got really scared. Kasi I think every time now they will parang break this door and just take me away.
Guys,
Ginawa ko, pinagay ko yung country, yung double deck na dyan, yung spiritual, hindi sila makapasok. I'm so scared. I came back to where I attended the hearing of the case. And I answered all the questions. Yeah, and I was very, respectful in answering all the questions to the very best of my ability. And sabi niyo sa akin, both of them are lang daw ako, which I did. It's my right. And sinabi ko, I'm to the best of my ability, and I attended that in and they said, whatever now we would like to go. So we filed our MR, they did not do it, but suddenly they were able to come out with an order willing to transfer me to the Women's Correctional. Sabi nila, sa akin, when you notice that they're doing the hearing, di ba? Sinuspend po ng chairman Suwan yung session. Tapos, yung sinabi ko ni Congressman Castro in contempt, after that, nag-rule sila. Tapos, then sinuspend niya. Tapos, ginapit niya sila, nag-handle sila, and then they called my lawyer, and then told him that kausapin ko. So, lumapit ako, and then I really apologize. I said, that letter to the Commission on Audit was in the position of the agency. It is our stand. Like all, diba, like, meron some points na gusto mo i-raise. But we respectfully parang raise our points to the Commission on Audit. Ayaw po, hindi naman po yung kasi that was our line of the agency. Because there was an ongoing audit investigation. Pero hindi naman namin kinukuha yung right ng COA to decide on the matter. But even if namin ko alam kung so they said na parang try to undermine. So I apologize. And it was, they man apology to Congressman Castro. But they said, sabi nila sa akin, alam mo, i-produce mo na lang dapat. I-produce mo yung dapat. So they said, Congressman, hindi naman po ang pag-attend po ng hearing is a personal choice. I will only do my best. And then they said na parang, no, parang pa naging chief of staff. Kung hindi mo naman kaya i-produce yan, i-produce mo sila. So I said, may rights din naman ko. Yung mga tao, di ba? I can only, as chief of staff, tell them to go. Di ba? Go. But if ayaw ko nila sumama, hindi ko na walang, I do not have that power over them because people have rights if they want to, join the hearing or not. But that's what they said. Tapos and then, sinabi ko, because I really cannot commit to make them attend. Because it's a personal choice. Like me, I chose to come back and attend. Diba? So, and then after that, nag-public apology na ako before the session was that, diba, suspended. Nag-public apology din ako kay Congressman Castro. And then, parang I raised again to please make that order because wala naman talaga intention ng Office of the Vice President to undermine either the Commission on Audit or the House of Representatives in their powers. That was not the point. But nung nilalabas na po ako, punabol nyo naman nila. Tinabol nila kami, and then he said, introduce mo yung apat, introduce mo yung apat. But I cannot do that. People have rights. Diba? I cannot decide for other people what they want to do. Diba yun sa akin? You know?